Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. New setup, I'm in my bedroom. I just figured while my camera's up here, let me go ahead and record. Today's video is going to be all about a new release from the house of Givenchy. This is L'Interdit Rouge and we're gonna talk all about it. So if you wanna learn more about this new release, make sure you keep watching. If it's your first time here, make sure to subscribe, turn on those notifications. Also follow me on Instagram and TikTok because your girl is trying to get into other platforms, but mostly I'm on Instagram. That's where I am when I'm not here on YouTube. I'd love if you leave your scent of the day in the comments. Let me know what you're wearing. Also, let me know what you're wearing this fall. Your girl is super curious. So I received this in a mailer maybe 2 or 3 days ago. This is brand new to the market. It was released in 2021, fall of 2021, and I'm super excited to have this one in my collection. The packaging, just so I can show you up close, I think it is really gorgeous. Just stunning. I mean, Givenchy makes really beautiful products. They have really lovely packaging. They are a luxury house. Just to show you really quickly, this is from, I believe, last year, L'Interdit Intense, but this is the bottle presentation here, and this is the new one. It's like a red rouge color and I'm obsessed with it. Packaging is perfect for holiday and I think it would make a great gift, just throwing that out there. So the perfumer here is Dominique Ropion, who is one of my favorite perfumers, possibly of all time. Has created bangers like Carnal Flower, Alien by Terry Mugler, one of my favorites. Of course, he designs for, or he creates for Lancome, Givenchy, endless creations. Another perfumer involved in this release is Anne Filippo and Fanny Ball. The notes to the fragrance here are blood orange, ginger. Those are the top notes. Middle notes are tuberose, jasmine, pimento leaf, and in the base note we have patchouli, sandalwood, and vetiver. So I'm gonna spray this on. I have tested this and I have worn this. It has a great amount of sillage. I'm just throwing that out there. It's quite interesting, although I do have to say it smells very similar to this right here, which is the intense version. It starts off with that citrusy, gingery note, and it kind of reminds me of the ginger note that's in the Cartier. There's a Cartier fragrance, I can't remember what it's called, but I'm gonna leave it right here. Anyway, it reminds me of that in the opening. Once it dries down, it's very floral rich, giving me tuberose and jasmine vibes. I have to say it's very feminine, whereas this one, to me, it's feminine, but this almost can be, I feel like this can be worn by a man should he decide to. It leans kind of unisex, that fragrance. This one leans very, very feminine. It's super elegant, very polished. That jasmine note makes it feel very pretty yet seductive. There's a lot of seduction going on here in this fragrance, which I do enjoy, especially for fall. What's left in the end is, at least on my skin, patchouli and sandalwood. It lasts forever. How I've been testing this, quick story, whenever I test out fragrances, I like to spray them on at night and then see what's left in the morning. Sometimes I forget that I do that, like I forget that I'm testing, and when I'm like making my coffee or making tea in the morning, sometimes I'll just, get a whiff of a fragrance and I'm like, wow, like that lasted. And so far, this has definitely withstood the test of time, at least on the skin and at least overnight. I haven't worn this out, so it's not something that I've received compliments yet with, but I do foresee me getting a ton of compliments with it. It just has that really feminine, elegant, beautiful, sort of polished vibe to it, which I really do love. So I'm very happy to have this one in my collection. I'm so happy that they sent it to me, and I'm so happy to be able to share it here with you. All in all, when it comes to longevity, I would say it lasts 8 hours plus, which is really good. That's not even like spraying it on clothes. That was just skin alone. So very excited about the longevity. This also has a really wonderful scent trail when it comes to sillage. I would say overall, it has like moderate strength, but it does project very well. It's very polite, but it also has an impact, and it's one that people will notice around you, which is a great thing. We like that here on this channel. I think this could be worn for day to day. I also could see this being worn definitely for a night out, date night, cozy occasions, intimate occasions. You know, I feel like this is something that your partner would love to smell on you. It just has that seductive but elegant and sophisticatedness that I think would capture people's attention. All in all, it's a warm, spicy white floral that is perfect for the fall season. Very happy to have it, but I also think that you can get a lot of wear out of it, and disclaimer, this will make my fall list. This will definitely be on it. I am obsessed with it. I've been wearing it and loving it, and there you have it. So thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Up next, we have an unboxing from our friends at Cartier. Oh my god, there's 4 bottles in here. I will unbox it next on the channel, so make sure to tune into that video. Make sure that you also watch my fall list videos. I will leave them in the cards. Also, don't forget to leave your scent of the day and let me know what fragrances you've been wearing this fall. Your girl is super curious. Love you forever. And don't forget to watch what's up next. And I will catch you in the next one. Bye.